Welcome to this YouTube video. Today, we'll be looking at some of the hottest headlines before the stock market bell. First up, we'll be discussing First Republic, whose shares have cratered more than 64% before the bell. This is adding to last week's losses as government plans to backstop depositors of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank have failed to bolster the stocks. Next, let's take a look at Seagen, whose shares have soared more than 18% this morning due to news that Pfizer is buying the biotech company for roughly $43 billion. This will bolster Pfizer's cancer treatment portfolio, providing a much-needed boost following a decline in COVID-19 product sales. Pfizer has offered $229 in cash per share of Seagen, representing a 32.7% boost to Friday's closing price. Illumina is up next, and their shares are rising 8.2% following news that billionaire activist Carl Icahn is preparing a proxy fight at Illumina. Icahn is arguing that the company has cost shareholders around $50 billion by pushing through a risky acquisition when they were facing regulatory opposition. Unfortunately, the news isn't so good for regional lenders PacWest Bancorp and Western Alliance Bancorp. Their respective stocks have plummeted 40% and 51% respectively due to the closure of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. Despite their attempts to calm investors, both companies have seen significantly lowered stock prices. Shares of major banks such as Bank of America, JP Morgan, and Citigroup have also seen significant losses in early market trading. This is mainly due to the fear that the closure of two major banks could lead to further regulation of financial trades. Bank of America lost 4.2%, JP Morgan shed about 1.4%, and Citi was down 2.25%. Charles Schwab stock has also declined by more than 6.6%, although Citi has upgraded the stock from neutral to buy. Citi believes any near-term revenue and earnings headwinds from rising funding costs and client cash sorting are already reflected in Schwab's current stock price. Finally, PNC stock has dropped nearly 5.2% after deciding against bidding on Silicon Valley Bank. Roku shares also fell, as their SEC filing revealed that around $487 million, or 26%, of its cash reserves have been stuck in Silicon Valley Bank. And finally, Petco Health and Wellness's stock slipped less than 1% after it was downgraded by Citi to neutral from buy, due to weak discretionary spending and potential customers trading down. That's all we have time for today. We'll be here with all the latest headlines tomorrow. Be sure to tune in then.